cute crafty girl here. So to make a food cart, not food court, you will need these materials: scissors, tape, marker, a container, beads, glue, and yeah, and wooden dowels. So first, um, you cut this circle, measure it at the bottom part of your container, and then cut it with a cutter. If you can cut a piece of a hanger, you can cut it, but I can't cut it with this scissors. So yeah, comment down below if if you know how to cut a piece of a hanger by a material. So tell me what material is that. So yeah. So now it's like this one. Very cute. This could be like your bowl or your faucet, but could be okay for the bowl. To make lollipops, get a piece of a wooden dowel, cut it down to size, and get a giant bead like this. I got this from Styling Up at Preston's. So yeah, it's an awesome lollipop. It's a doll-sized lollipop. If you could just see, she's sleeping right now. It's a doll-sized lollipop, and here's your friend, her messy, furry friend. So yeah, I make my bedroom today, as you can see. And don't forget to dab a little glue on the top. So let's dab a little glue on the top. So let's see the lollipop. To see the lollipop, so let's dab a little glue. Oh, it's melting. Make sure that the wooden dowel is covered. Wait. Okay. So after dabbing a little glue, this is the finished product. It's a little bit moving, and take off the excess. So yeah. Oops. So yeah, that's the lollipop. And actually, this is fruit cart. Oh, if you want, you can put cabinets here. You could put cabinets here if you want, but I don't want because I don't like to. Yeah, I don't like to. And also, I have no cardboard, and my glue gun just disappeared like 10 hours ago. So yeah, and there's like a yellow light there. Awesome. If you want, you could put towel racks here and towel holder. So this is a lollipop or candy apple if you turn it upside down. Lollipop, candy apple, and it just murdered. Let it dry. So yeah, and my sister created a barbell, but oh wait, here's my sister. Say hi. So yeah. So that's it, and here's the barbell with 2 beads. It's like a working out tool. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Joke. It's just a bunch of beads. So yeah, you can make many lollipops as possible, and you could also place a railing there, like a railing. So yeah, let's dry it up And next, we're gonna do strawberry one. So yeah. I just made this strawberry one. Like, I have 2 of them now. It's my sister. It's the idea of my sister. She's so ugly, I guess. So yeah. Now we have 2 lollipops. And I'm gonna show you something. So wait. You see this? This was from Ashubak, also on Mario Deporo. I made this box from my Lala Loopsy, but I'm not interested in them anymore. So I think today, I could use this. So see, it has like balloon bouncy here. It's a little bit dirty, ew. And you see, I also made this as a food court, but it's an epic fail. And I covered it with construction paper. This one I won't cover it because it has a color now. So I'm gonna remove the railings here. Remember, recycle, 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 recycle. So yeah, and remove the railings there. Ew, it's so dirty. Put it there. Clean it up. Clean it up. Then it's really benty. See, now you have a railing. So yeah, let's glue it into place. So let's see the finished product. So yeah, it's not dry yet. So in this project, you really need a glue gun. It's almost wrecked again. So let's let it dry for a while. Recycle, 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 cycle, cycle. That sounds annoying. So yeah, foot. This is my father's foot. So yeah, I've got lollipops. Now I gave you a tutorial on how to make lollipops without doing polymer clay. So yeah, if you want to add details, you can add more details. So yeah. You can add more details if you want to. So for us, we don't need to add details anymore. All we can do is add beads. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and comment down below for more suggestions, and for more suggestions for what will I make for the tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. If you want to have a shout out,